Hey guys, welcome back. I've got another box, and I think this one is actually one of the Corgi models that I've ordered. I've got the box like this. It's quite massive, if you can see it there. I actually want to lift this up so you can see it much better. And it's quite heavily wrapped. So let's try and get into it. I don't actually want to turn it around because we've got the address and everything on the one side there, so I'm just going to open it like this, or try to. It seems like there's heavy packaging in this. I'm quite excited about this. I've just finished my first Hot Wheels model. And hopefully this is going to be worth the wait. So let's get into it. Alright, so there's a lot of newspaper again, and it seems like this is the only thing in here. So just a bunch of newspaper. You can see the box is empty. So I brought you guys in closer. I'm getting real excited about this. I don't know which one it is actually, but there's a lot of bubble wrap on it, and yeah, we've got it. It's got the price on it still, so I'm just going to remove that. Now I'm quite into this. Okay, so this is one of my first Corgi toys that I've got now. This is also going to be a restoration project. It is the Morris Mini. I just want to see if there's a number on it. I don't know. I think maybe it's number 218. I'll get you guys in closer a little bit. You can see the wheels are still on, but there's no tires. The window at the back is broken, quite damaged, so I'll have to get a replacement window for that. On the sides as well. And it is actually the spoked version. You can see the color that was on it. It was a purplish color, and I'm quite happy. Like I said, I paid $100 for this. It is in very rough condition. There's a lot of oxidation on it, but we'll get it fixed up. Guys, please subscribe, like the channel. See you later. What is up, guys? Rattling Ghost. So I've received my latest Corgi that I've ordered. This was also very cheap. I think I got it only for $70 or something like that. So I'm quite happy that I've received it. I just opened the package now, and let's get straight into it. This is a Aston Martin, the DB4, and I will also be doing restorations on this one. I think this one is also in very bad condition. So let's just see. So it's got some bubble wrap around there, you can actually see it, and he put it in a nice little bag that I just cut open. So this is basically the model. As you can see, the tires are still in good condition. Looks good on both sides. This tire is screwed, but I am getting new tires from a supplier here in Joburg. The paintwork is all shot. Overall it doesn't look bad. I think under all this paint, the bodywork should still look good. As you can see there, this is a Corgi toys. It's the Aston Martin DB4. It is the 218 in the series that they made. I don't see a specific date on this. Let me just check here. I don't see a specific date on here, but I think this is also one of the 60 models that came out, one of the 60 saloons that they made. You can also see the windscreen is shot at the back and on the side. So when I open this, I'll actually have a better look. Then on this models, the saloon models, this actually also opened, and I would like to see when I get inside the bonnet, because there is hinges that I need to order as well, and this is now to see if the hinges are still working like they're supposed to. The engine is still in very good condition. Overall the car looks very good. There's a lot of oxidation on it, especially on the back or on the rear. but I think this car will clean up very nicely. You can actually see there we've got a slight broken part here as well with the front window arch there. The other side is also broken off, so we'll be just trying to mend it. Overall, this is a very nice car. I think it's a 1/64 scale. Like I say, the paintwork looks very good, and I can't wait to get this baby open and just see how it's going to look like when it's restored. So guys, this is my second video. This is my second video on a Corgi. I opened last time, I unboxed the the Modus Minor, the 226 model. So I think I'll probably combine these two videos. If you see them back to back, then you know they're combined. And I'll be restoring this at a later stage, but at this stage I'm still busy with one of my Hot Wheels. So check that out and check the link in the description down there, all the tools I'm using. And please guys, like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll check you later. Cheers, bye.